Hi friends, my name is Nandita.
Good morning to one and all. Welcome to Sonu. Today we are going to discuss about living in harmony from class 3 chapter 6 CBSE syllabus. Children, let us discuss understanding about living in harmony. First, let us see what does living in harmony mean. Children, do you like playing with your friends? What happens when we fight? Do you feel happy or sad? What if everyone shares and helps each other? How do you feel then? When we live happily without fighting and care for people, animals and plants, it is called living in harmony. Today we will learn about how to do that. Yes, living in harmony means living happily and peacefully with people, animals, and nature. In this chapter, we will learn how to care for others and respect our environment. We will understand why helping and sharing are important. We will also see how plants and animals are the part of our life. By living in harmony, we can make the world a better and happier place. Children, living in harmony means living peacefully with peoples, animals, and nature. Already we discussed that. At home, we take care of plants by watering them regularly and keeping them in sunlight. We also look after pets like dogs, cats, or birds by giving them food, clean water, and safe place to stay. Family members help and support each other, which makes home a happy place. In nature, birds build nests on trees, and trees give them shelter and oxygen. Birds also help nature by spreading seeds, which grow into new plants. Bees and butterflies help flowers to grow fruits by pollination. In daily life, we use dustbins to keep our surroundings clean, and we avoid harmful small creatures like earthworms because they help to keep the soil fertile. We also save water and electricity to protect natural resources. In school, we plant saplings to take care of our school garden and keep our classrooms and playgrounds clean. We also share things, follow rules, and respect teachers and friends to maintain peace and cooperation. Children, let us study in detail about living with plants and animals around us. Yes, living with plants and animals means sharing our surroundings with them and taking care of each other. Plants are very important because they give us oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and shade to rest under, and we should water plants regularly to protect them from beginning damage and plant more trees to keep the environment green and healthy. Animals are also an important part of our life, like pet dogs, cats, and birds need our care, love, food, and a clean place to live. We should treat them kindly and never hurt them. Wild animals live in forests and keep nature balanced. For example, bees help in making fruits and flowers grow, and birds help by spreading seeds. In return, nature gives them food and shelter. We should avoid cutting too many trees, polluting water, and harming animals so that plants and animals can live safely. Living in harmony with them helps keep our environment clean and green and full of life. Children, some small creatures that enter our homes. Yes, small creatures like ants, lizards, and insects sometimes enter our homes in their own. We may not always like seeing them, but they are also living beings and an important part of nature. They often come inside in search of food, water, or shelter. Instead of harming them, we should try to handle the situation calmly. We can gently move them outside or use a safe ways to guide them away. Keeping our home clean, covering food properly, and closing small gaps in doors and windows can also help prevent them from coming outside. This way we stay clean and safe while also respecting all forms of life. Children, let us see how can we understand animals' feelings and behavior. Children, many times you may see animals around our house, school, or surroundings and feel scared or uncomfortable. These animals can be small creatures like ants, lizards, or spiders, even pets like dogs and kites. It is important to remember that animals are living beings and they also have feelings. Most animals do not harm people unless they feel scared, threatened, or any disturbed. For example, a dog may bark if it feels unsafe, or an insect may move quickly if it is disturbed. Instead of being afraid, we should try to stay calm and observe from a safe distance. We should never tease, hurt, or harm animals. By understanding their behavior and treating them kindly, we can live safely and peacefully with them. Children, let us see, animals have feelings too, as we discussed. Yes, animals also have feelings just like humans. They can feel fear, pain, and safety. They try to protect themselves when they feel danger. For example, a dog may bark loudly if it is feels scared or wants to protect its space. A cat may scratch if it feels threatened, and a lizard or other small creatures may quickly run away to hide. Because this, we should always stay calm. We see animals, we should watch them from a safe distance and never disturb or scare them. Children, we do not hurt animals. Yes, we should never hurt animals in any way. Hitting, kicking, chasing, or throwing things at them is wrong and can cause pain or fear. Even small insects like ants, butterflies, or bees should not be harmed. Instead, we should gently guide them outside or leave them alone. Animals are also part of nature and they help to keep the environment balanced. By treating them kindly and with care, we make our environment safer and more peaceful for everyone. Children, I want to suggest some of the situations where we can stay calm and act carefully. If an animal comes close to you, do not panic. Stay still for a moment, then move slowly and quietly away from it. Avoid sudden or fast movements, loud noises, or shouting because they can frighten the animal and make it react in dangerous way. Do not try to touch, feed, or cage the animal. Keep a safe distance at all the times. Give the animal enough space and a clear path so it can live on its own without feeling trapped. Always watch the animal's behavior. If it looks scared or angry, slowly move away and find a safe place. Children, I want to share empathy, kindness, and care for others. Tell to your friends to be kind and gentle to all living things, including animals, birds, and insects. Explaining that animals have feelings too. They can feel pain, fear, and comfort just like you. Encourage your friends to not hurt, tease, or throw things at animals. Teach them to watch animals quietly and respect their space. Children, understand the animals are useful to humans in many ways. Like bees make honey and also help plants grow by pollination. Earthworms makes the soil soft and healthy for plants. Birds eat harmful insects and keep nature balanced. Example, if a bird builds a nest near your window, instead of disturbing it, you can watch it grow and learn about its life. If an ants come into the kitchen, we can clean the area and gently remove rather than killing them. Giving an examples like caring for a pet, feeding birds, or watering plants, this shows respect and care for all living things. Children, here I want to suggest some activities for you. Observe animals in the garden or park without touching them roughly. Create a small insect or a bird friendly corner in the school or home garden. Make posters showing be kind to the animals. Children, the moral values in this lesson we are going to learn about living with nature means kindness to all living things. Animals and plants have feelings in their own way. We should treat them gently. Responsibilities like we can keep pets or plants, we must feed them, water them, and give them proper care. And patience and tolerance comes like times small animals enters our house. Instead of harming them, we should gently guide them outside. Children, respect for the nature. Every living thing, no matter how small, has an important role in the ecosystem. Comes the cleanliness, keeping our home and surroundings clean, prevent pets from entering and protecting everyone's health. Children, now here I want to share a small story of a mango tree. A mango tree about Shambhu. One day, a small boy named Shambhu went into a forest with his father. The forest was green, white, and full of life. Tall trees stood everywhere and sunlight came through the leaves in small patches. Birds were singing and the air felt fresh and cool. After walking for some time, Shambhu and his father sat down under a large mango tree to rest. The tree was very big and old. It gave deep shade and had many branches. Many animals lived on it. Birds had nests in the branches. Squirrels ran up and down the trunk. Many monkeys jumped from one branch to another. It was like a small home for many living beings. Shambhu watched everything carefully. He saw a monkey sitting on a branch eating a ripe mango. After eating, the monkey threw the mango seed on the ground. Shambhu became curious and asked his father, "Why did the monkey throw the seed?" His father smiled and replied, "Shambhu, when animals eat fruits, they often throw or drop the seeds. These seeds can grow into a new plant if they fall on soil. This is one way of nature works. Animals help plants to spread and grow in different places." Shambhu was surprised. He looked at the seed on the ground and imagined a new mango tree growing from it. After a while, a mango fell from the tree right near Shambhu. He quickly picked up it and said happily, "Look, father, I also got a mango." His father nodded and said, "Yes, we get many things from the plants, not only fruits like mangoes and bananas, but also vegetables like spinach, carrot, and potato comes from plants." Shambhu listened carefully and then his father continued, "Plants are very important for our life. They give us oxygen to breathe and food to eat." Shambhu remembered some things and said, "Yes, I remember now. We also get medicines from plants when we are sick, when we get cotton to make clothes, and we use wood from trees to build houses, make doors, tables, and chairs." His father added, "Even more, plants help keep the air clean and make the environment healthy. Birds and animals also depend on plants for the food and shelters." Shambhu looked around the forest again. He saw how birds and animals and trees were all living together in harmony. He understood that everything in nature is connected and depends on each other. He felt very happy and promised himself that he would never harm trees or animals and would always respect nature. Children, the moral of the story is plants and animals depend on each other and humans depend on both. Everything in nature is connected, so we must protect and care for it. Children, now let us discuss how animals help plants and nature. Animals and plants depend on each other to survive. They live together in nature and help keep the environment balanced. Many animals help plants to grow, reproduce, and stay healthy. When it comes to squirrels, they collect nuts and seeds from the trees. They bury these seeds into the soil to eat later. Sometimes they forget where they buried them. These often seeds grow into a new plants and trees. In this way, squirrels help forests to grow naturally without even knowing it. Let's see how birds help the plants. Birds eat fruits from these trees and plants. The seeds inside the fruit passes through their bodies for fall on the ground. These seeds grow into a new plant in different places. This helps the plant spread to a new areas. Children, let us see how bees helps the plants. Bees move from one flower to another flower to collect nectar. While doing this, they carry pollen from one flower to another flower. This process is called pollination. Pollination helps flowers grow fruits and seeds. Children, now let us see how earthworm helps the plants. Earthworms live in the soil and eat dead plants matter. They break it down and make the soil soft and rich. Their movement helps the air and water enter the soil easily. This makes the soil fertile for plant growth. Children, animals play an important role in helping plants grow and survive. They help in seeding, spreading pollination, and improving soil quality. Without animals, many plants would not grow properly. This shows that nature works like a team where both plants and animals depend on each other to keep the earth healthy and balanced. Nature works like a teamwork system where plants and animals depend on each other. Children, let us discuss why do we need each other. As humans, plants and animals all depend on each other to survive. They live together in nature and help in other in many ways. This balance keeps the life on earth healthy and peaceful. Children, let us discuss the relationship between humans, plants and animals. The relationship between humans care for animals and plants, like humans give water, food and protection to plants and animals. We also grow trees and take care of pets and farm animals. Let's see how animals and plants help each other. Animals and plants help each other by spreading seeds, pollinating flowers and making soil fertile. In return, plants give food and shelter to animals. See how humans depends on plants and animals. Humans get food, oxygen, clothes, medicines and materials like wood from the plants and animals. Animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats are very useful to humans. They give us milk, which is rich in food. Sometimes animals also help farmers in farming work. In return, humans take care of them by giving food, shelter, and protecting. Animals also love us and companionship, especially pets like dogs. That is why we should treat all the animals with kindness, care, and respect. Children, humans, animals, and plants are all connected. They depend on each other for food, shelter, and survival. When we take care of nature, we help keep this balance. This makes the earth a better, healthier, and happier place for everyone. Children, let's summary the topic. Why do we need each other? Yes, humans take care of plants and animals by providing them with basic needs like food, water, and shelter. We also protect them from harm, grow more trees, and look after domestic animals such as cows, goats, and pets. By doing this, humans maintain balance in nature. Animals help plants in many important ways. Some animals and birds spread seeds to different places, which helps a new plants grow. Bees and other insects help in pollination, which is needed for flowers to produce fruits and seeds. Earthworms and small creatures makes the soil soft, rich, and fertile, which supports healthy plant to growth. Humans depend heavily on plants and animals for survival. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. Foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and medicines. They also provide materials like cotton for clothes and wood for building houses and furniture. Animals provide us with milk, egg, meat, wool, and help in farming work. They also give companionship, especially pets like dogs and cats. This shows that all living things are interconnected and depend on each other in many ways. Plants, animals, and humans cannot survive alone. They form a natural system where everyone plays an important role. When we protect and respect plants and animals, we help keep the nature balanced and we ensure a healthy and happy life for all living beings. Children, now let's make a visiting your plant friend. Yes, plants are not only useful for food, oxygen, and shade, but they can also be like a quiet friend for us. They may not speak, but they give us peace, fresh air, and calm environment. Let's see how to make friends with a plant. When you feel sad, upset, or angry, you can sit near a plant or in a garden. Spending time with plants can make you feel calm and relaxed. You can talk to your plant friend about your feelings, thoughts, or even your day. Taking care of it by watering it, cleaning around it, or giving it sunlight also helps you feel connected to nature. Plants do not reply, but they create a peaceful place that help your mind to feel better. Let's see how this helps. Being around the plants reduces stress and helps you feel more peaceful and happy. Taking care of plant teaches us important values like patience, responsibility, and care of living things. Watching a plant grow day by day also gives a joy and satisfaction because you can see your care making a difference. Children, let us see talking to your plant how you feel happy. Yes, you can also talk to your plant when you are happy, excited, or proud. Sharing your feelings with a plant, whether it is a good or bad, can make your mind feel lighter and more balanced. It helps you stay calm and enjoy your emotions in a healthy way. Many people feel that spending time with plants improves their mood and makes them feel refreshed. Children, let us discuss about caring for plants and animals. As soon we discuss the importance of plants and animals, now let us see the caring for plants and animals. Just like humans need care and friendship, plants and animals also need love and attention. We should water plants regularly, protect them from being damaged, and plant more trees to keep nature green. Animals also need care, food, water, and safe place to live. Helping and protecting them is a part of living in harmony with nature. Children, talking to plants and caring for animals teaches kindness, empathy, and responsibility. It helps us understand that all living things are interconnected. Nature is our friend, and when we take care of it, it also takes care of us by giving food, air, and healthy environment to live in it.